Okay, welcome guys to the next Blender tutorial. So today we're doing a paperclip. So we're going to go ahead and take the default cube, just scale it down. And so we will go to edit mode. Oops. Yeah, that kind of flicked a little bit. Let's go with this face right here. We go for effect extrude. And then we're just going to scale it inwards just slightly. Effect extrude, scale inwards just slightly, and then we're just going to go effect extrude, scale inwards. I just want to be scaling to the point where you're just rounding off the end. Okay, so on this side we want to go for effect extrude. And we just want to go wider on this side, so S, effect extrude, and we go S. And then at this point we'll go effect extrude. And we're just going to scale this up just slightly. We're just going to rotate this just by slight. And then we'll go effect extrude just to bring it straight up. So what you want to do is take this face right here and just kind of bring it back. So this is where the clip is going to clip. So these are slightly bent in the middle. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go for edit mode. I'm just going to select the entire thing. Just rotate this 90 degrees so I can work on it. Let's take these two vertices right here, but we want X-ray mode. I'm just going to press G, just bring them up just ever so slightly, because there is a slight curve within the clippers themselves. And then I'm just going to bring this one up just a little bit more as well. And maybe we'll rotate this inwards just a little bit too. Oops. Just press rotate, R for rotate. G just to move that up. Yeah, I'm going to backtrack on that one just a tiny bit. Let's see. Let's press G, bring it down, rotate just a little bit. Okay, so when we make this, I'm just going to shade smooth. We're going to place another one on top of it. So you want to go Shift D, bring it up, rotate, and we'll go 180. So it should just be across the top, but if it's not, just realign it. Just bring this down. Just realign the two pieces. And then what we want to do is angle it so that these two pieces actually sit on top of each other at the back. So the clippers are always open when they're in resting position. They're never really closed. So we can put these two together at the back, right there. So when we get to the top part, which is the part kind of on top, we can take another one of these clippers right here. We could go Shift D, bring it so that it's on top roughly. We're going to scale this down. Now you want to put the angle of this one to the angle of this one. So we're going to rotate across the top, bring it up, rotate across the top, just so that it's at the right angle. And you want to place this just at the front, because there's going to be a little bit of a shaft coming through on this part. So just make sure that that's relatively in the middle just there. Let's go ahead and add a, oops, not an icosphere, a cylinder. Scale it upwards, and then scale it down. Press G, bring it across. And then we'll go ahead and just stick this, I think it's just before the teeth, just right here. Make sure that it's in the center. Right click, shade smooth. And that should be practically it for this model. So yeah, all you need to do now is just add the silver to it. So just take this one, we can go with material, and then we can go kind of a silver kind of colour, metallic all the way up, roughness all the way down. So it all looks like this. This one in the middle, just place this material on there, and then when we render it, we should have this lovely silver clippers. So if you're not on cycles and you're on Eevee, just click cycles and bring yourself onto that one. We can also go to plane, just to define the clippers a little bit more. So we have lights on here as well. Just kind of bring those over and stuff, because obviously there's nothing else around it. You're not really getting any reflections off anything else, so it will look a little bit dull. So yeah, that's a pair of clippers. Really. If you guys liked, please subscribe. I'd greatly appreciate it. Apparently, there's a lot of people that watch my videos, and you guys aren't subscribed apparently. So yeah, I greatly appreciate it if you did. It doesn't cost you anything, and it gets my artwork out there and gets my channel a little bit bigger. I'm aiming to get 100,000 subscribers at some point, so you know, I'm aiming for that play button. Yeah, if you guys can subscribe, if you're not subscribed, that'd be great. I'll see you in the next one. Yeah, have a great day.